public safety. A state not just rising, a state redefining excellence. This is Telangana, rising with its people, rising with purpose, rising towards 2047. Jai Telangana. Regional Ring Road, a green, sustainable agricultural economy, a future designed with precision and delivered with purpose. Bharat Future City. Rising next, the blueprint of Bharat Future City, India's most advanced urban ecosystem, an AI city, an arts city, a financial hub, a global rival to New York, London, Dubai, Singapore, and Tokyo. A new tech powerhouse born in Telangana. Riverfront and urban renewal. A once dry riverbed transforms, flowing again with life, light, and opportunity. Trees bloom, the waterfront thrives, and a 24/7 night economy awakens. Vibrant, safe, and full of energy. Connectivity revolution. A modern state demands modern mobility. Metro rail expanding from 71 kilometers to 160 plus kilometers. A 12-lane expressway linking Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. A world-class dry port boosting global trade. Bullet train corridors to Chennai and Bengaluru. Undersea fiber cables powering the digital future. Connectivity that accelerates opportunity. Manufacturing powerhouse. Telangana emerges as India's premier China Plus One alternative. A production powerhouse in pharma, aerospace, defense, EVs, drones, solar, FMCG, and white goods. Outer Ring Road